What is up, ladies and gentlemen? This is Jack. Today, we're just gonna dash a lot. I started at 8 o'clock this morning. It is now 9:11. I am scheduled to work until midnight, so we shall see what we can do. We'll keep you posted, and we'll see. I've already made 12 bucks. I wasn't gonna start a video until later, but then I was able to schedule the entire day instead of just part of it. Currently going to pick up a McDonald's order for $7.50, and yeah, so if you'd like to know what we do today, stick around, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification icon, keep up with what we're doing. I'm very seriously considering doing the nomad thing and living out of my car and traveling around the country, so hit the comments, let me know what you think about that. Let me know if you know a way to sleep in a cruise without, breaking my back. Yeah, every little bit of information helps. Let me know what you got. So, that order was $7.50. It was like 4.5 miles, 5 miles. Going to a super bougie neighborhood, and the base pay was $5.50. Normally it's the other way around. It's the tip's like $5 and the base pay is like $2 over here. But that just tells me that a bunch of people turned that order down and just didn't want to come over here for some reason. So I don't know. I'll take it. Easy delivery, easy money. Now back to where we wait for orders to see what else we can do today. But first order after our little stop there. So we had $19 and something for the day. Doing all right. All right, so we waited about 10 minutes in the McDonald's parking lot because I'm trying to get McDonald's orders today. So sitting over there, waited about 10 minutes, got a $6.25 order for 1.9 miles. So went in there, it was almost ready. I had time to use the restroom, grabbed it, and now we're on the way. So far so good. It's not lunchtime yet, so we still got about an hour before lunch starts, so hopefully we'll get a couple more orders between now and then hopefully lunch picks up and we kill it for lunch, and then hopefully we kill it for dinner. That was a super easy delivery, right around the corner. Had to pause for a minute because I need a break, and then we'll hop right back to it. Hopefully I don't have to pause for very long. But we're gonna head back over to McDonald's and hang out for a minute and see what else we can get. All right, so as soon as we got back in the car and turned the app back on, we immediately got a $5 order for Steak and Shake for 1.6 miles. And since Steak and Shake is across the street from where I'm at, and it's closer to the drop-off location than this side is, I'm gonna go ahead and take that for $5. So we're gonna go snag that, see how long the wait is, and drop it off. All right, second little mini dash finished. We did 18.75 in that hour. We can't start dashing for lunch for another like 10 minutes, so we're just gonna hang out and go dashing here in a few minutes. So far we're at 30 bucks, which 2.5 hours, not the best, but we don't ever work those hours. It was non-peak time. There's a lot of reasons it wasn't there. So I'm gonna go back over to where I wait for orders, as long as I don't run over somebody, because I'm not real familiar with how these roads here go. So yeah, we're gonna go hang out. We're gonna wait till it starts up, and then gonna give it a shot. So for some reason, it took like 20 minutes to get my first order for lunch, which is bizarre. I think that's the longest I've ever waited after 11 a.m. to get an order. I've gotten two. I got one that was $2.25 that was going 6 miles, and that's it. And then I just got this one. I don't know what's going on since like a week before Christmas. It's just been anyway. I don't know. Maybe we'll go for Top Dasher and then see if that helps or something. I have no idea. But anyways, we're gonna run in here and grab this. It's $6.50 for 3 miles. So definitely an order worth taking. And yeah, be back. So luckily that McDonald's order wound up being a little bit more than $6.50. It was $7.25, but we were still doing the thing, and it still took us, a couple minutes. And now we're picking up our second order for the hour for $5.45. It's from Chipotle for like a mile and a half, but this first hour has been a womp womp, and it's pretty much only going to be $7.25. So that's kind of rough, but we got this. Holding out hope that it gets better today. So the pickup only took a couple of minutes. I just had to wait for the food. Now I'm headed over to where I need to go. Yeah, and people are being jackwagons in traffic, so you'll have that too, I guess. So that delivery was really weird because it's like, all right, go to the front door of the building and leave it to the person at the office. Awesome. Well, I go to what is the side of the building facing the street, not the front entrance, emergency exit only. Go to the next one around the side. Looks like an entrance to the building. Big double doors, big awning, nothing. So you go around to the back of the building, and that's where the front entrance is. So I was like, huh. You walk in, it's super dark, and there's just this girl standing by a desk. And I'm like, hey, yeah, that's where it went. Well, while I was forever sitting here waiting on this stoplight to change, I got another order for Chick-fil-A. This one is for $4.25 for 2 miles. I normally don't take them that small, but today has been super slim pickings, and it's $2 a mile, and Chick-fil-A is normally pretty good. I'm just justifying taking a bad order at this point, but you know what? Today has been crap, so we're gonna take it. So in true Chick-fil-A fashion, their lunch rush is atrocious. It was a pain to get into the drive-thru. I only had to wait like 5 minutes to get the food, but like, it's so bad here in the afternoons. And I mean, traffic's backed up both ways trying to turn into this place. It's not that good, people. It's not that good. Well, that was a super easy drop off. It was close by, but still kind of a pain in the butt because of the traffic and stuff. So on my way back over to wait for orders, got a 4-mile Subway for $7.50, which is okay on the face of things, but Subway is like a mile away, so it's really like 3 miles away for Subway total. So I'm okay with it because Subway is right smack in the middle of my zone. So we're gonna grab that and knock it out. Normally they don't take very long. I haven't been there at lunch in a while, so I hope they don't take very long, but I guess we'll see. Well, that was an easy delivery. Kinda, I hate the freaking neighborhood where it is. It's just like, it's a nice neighborhood, but the way the buildings are set up is a PETA. So now I am headed over to pick up some Uber Eats orders. I got 2 orders from, I think they're both from Cracker Barrel. So we're gonna go pick those up. It was $29 for 2 orders. So I couldn't really tell them no. So we're gonna go knock that out real quick. See where we're at when the dust settles. So I took a little break and I am back at it right now. I just picked up a order from McDonald's for like $6.50 for 3 miles. So we're gonna knock that out and we'll be back. So that was a super easy drop off. It took like 10 minutes total, and it was $8.25 instead of $6.50. So that's a win. All right, so we're headed back over to where we wait for videos, yes, where we wait for orders, those things. And we got one from the Mexican restaurant over here that I bet you about all the time for $5.25 for like 3 miles. So we're gonna pick that up and take it, and it's going to an apartment complex I don't really like, but hey, beggars can't be choosers. All right, so as I was pulling up Del Mariachi, we got an order for Drake's across the street. So yay, we love Drake's. So we're gonna knock that out too. Grab that one and I'll let you know. Damn it. All right, so I was headed back over to where I wait for orders and got a stacked order for 2 restaurants that happen to be in the same building. So, all right. So we knocked out that stacked order and got $1 more than we thought we were going to. So yeah, bonuses be bonusing. Yay. All right, well, I was headed back over to where I wait for deliveries, and I got a stacked order from El Mariachi for 12 some number of doll hairs. So yeah, it's like 4 miles total, so $12, and who knows, for 4 miles is great. We're gonna, yeah, don't do it. All right, so just dropped off those 2 orders, no extra pay, but you know what? We don't care. We're just knocking it out. All right, so we're gonna head back over to wait on orders. Actually, no, I'm gonna go get my pizza, and then we're gonna go back over to wait on orders. So I will catch you guys later. All right, so we were headed back over to where we wait. Didn't even get back in the zone, and we got an order from Drake's, which I love so much, and Malone's, which is right next door to Drake's. So hey, is $14 for. It's 7 miles, but the reason it's 7 miles is because this round trip is delivering back over to where I'm at. So it's 3 miles and 3 miles instead of just 3 miles. So it's clustered. Anyway, we're gonna go pick those up and we're gonna do the thing. So yeah. All right, so apparently my camera has astigmatism right now, but just dropped off those 2 orders from Drake's, and I'm like, oh my God, look at, jeez, okay. So just dropped off those 2 orders, and instead of $14, it was $20 and something. So, all right. So I was headed back over to where I pick up deliveries and got a banger from Ramsey's Diner, $9.25 for 5 miles. It takes me a little past where I like to go, but you know, I was right by. Ooh, that was rough. I was right beside Ramsey's when it happened, and I'm gonna go do the thing. So yeah, 5 miles for, you know, $9.25, and it might be more than that. So we gonna see. We gonna see, boys. So it took a few minutes to pick up this monster, but yeah, I'm thinking that might be a percent tip, and we might clean up on that one. I'll let you know in a minute. All right, so just as we suspected, it was $12.75 instead of $9.25. So an extra $2.50. So that was pretty good. That was almost, I don't know, like $2.50 a mile. $2.50. I don't know. Can't math right now. Brain mush. Small brain, no tank. Anyway, yeah. So we're gonna head back over to wait on orders because we're slightly out of the zone. So we're gonna head over there and we're gonna see if we can get something else. And I mean, it's 8:22, so we could still be getting dinner orders, you know. Here's hoping. You know, we was just
head north on Plotted Place toward Pink Pigeon Parkway.
Cool. We were just kind of hanging out waiting, and got a Taco Bell order that's going across the street for $6.25. So all right, we're gonna take that right quick. So deliveries to this apartment complex are literally the easiest money of my life. It's literally across the street from everything. I love this place. All right, so tonight we did the thing. We worked 10 hours today. Not all at once. We worked in the morning, and then we took a break, and then we worked in the evening. And we made $173 in 10 hours, which, for those of you at home, is $17.30 an hour. Minus gas, minus food, you know, normal stuff. I don't ever do the breakdown of expenses every day or taxes, but, you know, $173. Pretty good day. I hope to have 4 more just like it this week. That would tickle me pink. I would love that. That would be great. It would be, you know, $750 a week. Boom, baby. We got this. Anyway, if you enjoyed the video, you want to stick around for more stuff, I do this a lot. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification icon so you get notified every time I put out a new video. And I hope to see you guys in the next one. See ya!